The Vivo Z1 Pro is undoubtedly one of the hottest new devices in the mid-range price segment, and for good reason. The phone packs in some great hardware for the price, including an impressive triple camera setup on the back, along with a 32 megapixel selfie camera up front. And it's these cameras that we'll be focusing on today. Hey guys, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at some cool camera tips and tricks for the Vivo Z1 Pro, which will help you make the most of your new phone. So let's get right to it, shall we? Since gesture-based navigation is all the rage these days, we'll start off with a really handy feature which will help you take shots with the help of some intuitive gestures and voice commands. To turn it on, jump into the camera app, tap on the settings cog in the top right corner, and then tap on the touch, voice and palm options in the following menu. This will enable all the three available modes to trigger the shutter. While the touch setting allows you to tap anywhere on the viewfinder to click a photo, the voice option allows you to do just that by saying cheese. And with the palm feature selected, you can easily activate the shutter by bringing your palm in the frame. While these features may sound a bit gimmicky, they actually do work quite well. Give it a shot and try it out for yourself right away. Now, it's quite common for a phone to have a couple of AI capabilities these days, and the Z1 Pro is no different. The device packs in a useful AI scene identification mode which makes use of machine learning to help you click better pictures. You can turn it on by heading into the camera settings and selecting the AI scene identification feature at the bottom. Once it's turned on, the phone will be able to identify objects in the frame and automatically adjust the camera settings to capture the best shot without any extra effort from your end. Pretty cool, right? While we are on the subject, let's talk about another AI-powered feature you will find in the camera app, the AI Beauty Mode. As the name suggests, this mode gives you access to some powerful beautification features that you can use to make your photos look subjectively more beautiful if you're into that. You can use the mode to adjust your skin tone, make your face thin, enlarge your eyes, and make a number of other changes to your face to give yourself a doll-like aesthetic. Honestly, I don't see myself using it all that much, but it's a nice addition nonetheless, just for fun. Next up, let's talk about the phone's portrait mode capabilities. Thanks to its 2 megapixel depth sensor, the Z1 Pro can click some impressive portrait shots with a natural bokeh effect. But what's really cool is that the device also lets you adjust the focal length in real time to get the perfect background blur in every portrait shot you take. To do so, just turn on the portrait mode by tapping on this icon in the bottom toolbar, then tap on an object in the frame and simply move the slider to the right of the focus ring to adjust the focal length. And that's not all, you'll be also able to adjust the focal length after capturing the shot. So even if you do mess up a shot, you can rest assured that you'll be able to fix it later without any issues. Now let's move on to some neat tricks you can use while capturing videos with your phone. I'm sure you already know that the Z1 Pro packs in an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, but did you know you can also use it to capture video? Well, now you do. To capture wide-angle videos on your phone, all you need to do is tap on this tiny icon that says wide while in the video mode, and the phone will instantly switch to the wide-angle lens. But it's worth noting that you will be only able to capture 1080p video with the wide-angle lens, so you might see a drop in quality if you're used to capturing video in 4K. Rounding things off are the slow motion and time-lapse features that you'll find hidden within the video mode on the camera app. In order to capture slow-mo or time-lapse footage, you'll have to tap on this clock icon in the top toolbar while in video mode and then choose either of the two options. While there's only one slow-mo capture setting available on the device, the time-lapse feature has a number of different settings you can play with. For instance, if you want to capture a time-lapse of moving clouds, you can tap on this icon here and select the moving clouds option. This feature definitely makes capturing time-lapse video a whole lot easier. Well, that sums it up for this video. You should go ahead and put these tips to use right away and start capturing some amazing shots for Instagram. And while you're at it, make sure to follow Guiding Tech on Instagram. You don't want to miss out on the amazing photos and videos which we put out there these days. So make sure to check out our Instagram profile. There's Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.